皆さんこんにちは、とも先生です。Today, let's get into Hiragana contracted sounds with small ya, you, and yo, which is called yawn in Japanese. さあ、始めましょう。Hiragana contracted sounds can be transcribed by combining e-vowel consonants, ki, shi, chi, ni, hi, mi, and ri with small ya, you, and yo of ya column. When e-vowel consonants are combined with small ya, you, and yo, they make the contracted sounds. Each of them are pronounced as a single syllable. For example, when we combine ki with ya, it is pronounced ki ya, ki ya as two syllables. However, when small ya follows after ki, the vowel sound e disappears from ki and it is pronounced kya, kya as a single syllable. Then, let's take a look at other contracted sounds. We have 21 contracted sounds here. それでは発音の練習をしてみましょう。Then let's practice how to read ki with small ya, you, and yo first. キャ、キュ、キョ。Repeat after me. キャ、キャ、キュ、キュ、キョ、キョ。Next, let's practice to read she combined with small ya, you, and yo. シャ、シュ、ショ。Repeat after me. シャ、シャ、シュ、シュ、ショ、ショ。You might have found that there are no letter Y in Romaji reading here. It's because she with small ya, you, and yo is romanized as SHA, SHU, and SHO. Let's practice to read chi with small ya, you, and yo. Cha, chu, cho. Repeat after me. Cha, cha, chu, chu, cho, cho. Like sha, shu, and sho, chi with small ya, you, and yo is romanized as CHA, CHU, and CHO. Okay, let's practice to read ni combined with small ya, you, and yo. Nya, nyu, nyo. Repeat after me. Nya, nya, nyu, nyu, nyo, nyo. Let's practice to read he with small ya, you, and yo this time. Hya, hyu, hyo. Repeat after me. Hya, hya, hyu, hyu, hyo, hyo. Next, let's practice to read mi combined with small ya, you, and yo. Mya, myu, myo. Repeat after me. Mya, mya, む、む、みょ、みょ。The last one. Let's practice to read ri with small ya, you, and yo. じゃ、do, りょ。Repeat after me. じゃ、じゃ、do, りょ、りょ。As we learned in the previous lesson of hiragana voice sound and p sound, we have gi, ji, b, and p here. So we can make 12 more contracted sounds, combining them with small ya, you, and yo. それでは発音の練習をしてみましょう。Let's see how to read gi with small ya, you, and yo first. ぎゃ、ぎゅ、ぎょ。Repeat after me. ぎゃ、ぎゃ、ぎゅ、ぎゅ、ぎょ、ぎょ。Next, let's practice to read ji combined with small ya, you, and yo. じゃ、じゅ、じょ。Repeat after me. じゃ、じゃ、じゅ、じゅ、じょ、じょ。Note that ji with small ya, you, and yo is romanized as ja, ju, and jo. Let's practice to read b combined with small ya, you, and yo next. びゃ、びゅ、びょ。Repeat after me. びゃ、びゃ、びゅ、びゅ、びょ、びょ。Now, let's practice to read the p sound p with small ya, you, and yo. ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴょ。Repeat after me. ぴゃ、ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴゅ、ぴょ、ぴょ。Now you can read hiragana contracted sounds with small ya, you, and yo. Let's try to read some simple words. Are you ready? What hiragana is this? Answer in 3 seconds. りゅ、ぴょ、お茶、金魚、医者。That's all for hiragana contracted sounds with small ya, you, and yo. You will learn how to read double consonants using small tsu in next lesson. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you learning Japanese. Please subscribe and give like on this video. I would love to get your comment and question too. See you in the next video. 継続は力なり。